In this video, you'll learn how to create, edit, and share your restaurant's specials with SpotHopper to boost visibility, automate social media posts, and attract more guests. From the menu and content section, open specials, select the day for your special. Enter a description, then set the start and end time. Enable Update Website to publish your special on your website. Select a social media platform, choose a posting frequency, then click Save. If social media is enabled, choose a photo from your SpotHopper gallery or upload one from your device. Click Add Another Special to create multiple specials for the same day. Select the next image slot using the number or arrow, then add another image. Upload multiple images to avoid repeating the same photos. After selecting a social media platform and posting frequency, click Preview to view your generated Instagram or Facebook post. If you don't select a posting frequency, SpotHopper defaults to posting once a month. To promote your special by text, check the text message box. Customize your message, select a send date and time, then click Save and Schedule. Preview your scheduled text anytime from the texting page. Click the pencil icon on the right to edit a special. Update the description or time, then click Save. Hover over the existing photo to replace or remove the image. Use the trash icon to delete the entire special. Need to manage your scheduled posts? From marketing, open Instagram posts or Facebook posts and use filters to display only specials posts. If autopilot is disabled, approve posts before they're published. Use the pencil icon to edit the posting date, image, or caption. Click AI Rewrite to generate new caption options. Choose your favorite or edit it to match your brand. You're all set. Your special is ready to be shared on your website and social media.